Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are all fit and fine, and I am also fine. Dear children, in the last class we discussed about oceans, continents, then states. Today, in the class we discussed about the central and state government. Okay, central and the state government. Okay, listen children. Do you know what is government? Look at the board. Please don't write it. A government is a group of people. A government is a group of people that have the power to rule in a territory according to the administration law. According to the administration law. Okay, the government also makes the rules and regulations of the welfare of whole country. Welfare of whole country. Okay, dear children, there are three organs of government. There are three organs of government. First one, legislative. Second one, executive, and judiciary. Okay, once again I repeated, there are three organs of the government like legislative, executive, and judiciary. These are the three organs of the government. Okay, then the government also makes the rules and the laws. The government makes the rules and the laws to run the country and welfare of the country. Run the country and welfare of the country. Okay, children, in our country, okay, the government can be divided into two parts. First one is the central government and another one is state government. Central government and state government. Okay, first one, the government can be divided into two parts because the administration purpose. ಆಡಳಿತದ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಕೋನದಿಂದ ಸರ್ಕಾರವನ್ನ ಎರಡು ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾವು ವಿಭಜನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ದಿ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗವರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್, then state government. Okay, dear children, state government. Central government makes the rules and laws for whole country. Okay, India had 28 states. Each state has its own government. Okay, each state has its own state government. For example, in our state Karnataka had a Karnataka state, Tamil Nadu state government. Okay, all right. ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗವರ್ನಮೆಂಟು ಇಡೀ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆದಂಥ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ 28 ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳು ಕೂಡ 28 ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರಗಳನ್ನು ತಮ್ಮದೇ ಆದ ಸರ್ಕಾರಗಳನ್ನು ರಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ರೂಲ್ಸು ಲಾಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗವರ್ನಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್, ದೆನ್ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್, prime minister, then cabinet minister, president, vice president, then prime minister, then cabinet minister, and senior officers. Okay, central government ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು first president, vice president, prime minister, cabinet minister, and senior ministers. They all lived and work in New Delhi. Then state government. First governor, governor, then chief minister, then next cabinet minister, then other state officers, they all lived and worked in the state capital, New Delhi. The central government worked in New Delhi, then state government in state capital. Okay children, are you understood? ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಮತ್ತು ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಎರಡು ರೀತಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. In central government, then in the state government. We saw the central and the state government. Okay, central government ಅಲ್ಲಿ first ನಾವು ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ president, then vice president, prime minister, cabinet minister, senior officers, they all lived and worked in New Delhi. Then state government, first governor, then chief minister, cabinet minister, officers, they all worked and lived in the state capital, which is the capital of our state, Bangalore. Okay, Bangalore is the capital of our state. Then next president, who was the first president of our country? Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad was the first president of our country. Who is the present president of our country? Ramnath Kovind is the present president of our country. Then Jawaharlal Nehru was the first prime minister of our country. Then Narendra Modi is the present prime minister of our country. Then Jayachamara Wadeyar was the first governor of our state. Vajubhai Wala is the present governor of our state. Okay, K.C. Reddy was the first chief minister of our state. B.S. Yediyurappa is the present chief minister of our state. Okay, clear? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗವರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಎರಡು ರೀತಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗವರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ದಿ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ for the welfare of whole country. Okay, then each state has its own state government. Then these state governments formation the rules and regulations for welfare of their people. Okay, there are three organs of the government like legislative, executive and judiciary. Legislative is the formation of rules and regulation, then the rules and regulation executed by the executive. Okay, rules ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾನೂನುಗಳನ್ನು ಲೆಜಿಸ್ಲೇಟಿವ್ ರೂಪಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕಾರ್ಯರೂಪಕ್ಕೆ ತರತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಆರ್ಗನ್ ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಆರ್ಗನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಗವರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್, ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಅಂಗಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಓಕೆ, ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ 3 ಆರ್ಗನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಗವರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್, ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಅಂಗಗಳು ಯಾವುವು? legislative, executive and judiciary. Okay, you understood children? Okay, who is the present governor of our state? Who is the present governor? Vajubhai Wala. First governor of our state, Jayachamara Wadeyar. Okay, I hope you understood today class. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಾನು ಕಳಿಸಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಪ್ಪದೆ ನೀವು ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರತಿ ಶನಿವಾರ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ತರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ.